and green color. Banana, yellow color. And banana, yellow color. Avocado, green color. Tomatoes, red color. Plum, purple color. Papaya, orange color. Watermelon, green and red color. Mango, yellow color. Cherry, red color and white color. Passion fruit, red and yellow color. Dragon fruit, pink and white color with black dots. Guava, green color. Jackfruit, green and yellow color. Pomegranate, red color. We learned so many fruits, come back to learn more.